Hello everyone. Meditation is great, but does it have anything to do with the students? Definitely. Meditation helps students perform better in exams. How? Let's find out. First, meditation helps to keep your mind intact and have enhanced concentration while studying, which ultimately improves the productivity. Second, you all will agree when I say that creativity does not entirely depend on money, time, or skills. Creativity requires peace of mind. Only a healthy, calm, and composed mind can do creativity. Researchers have revealed that meditation can help you overcome anxiety and stress, which are prime reasons for our sleep disorders. For students, it's very natural to feel anxious about exams, and that's exactly why it's very important to meditate at least 15 minutes a day. By now, you must have a clear idea about the benefits of meditation and how it can be helpful for students to improve their scorecard. Finally, subscribe to this channel for such informative and valuable videos. All the best!